Hi everyone, I am Justyn Bautista. I took up BS in Hotel and Restaurant Management, and I also took up another short course, Diploma in Professional in Baking and Pastry Arts at Global Academy. I'm gonna share with you my knife skills, so here it goes. My goal is to attain experience on learning and developing my skills in the hospitality industry, to be part of the company that indulges professional growth which provides good opportunities and rewarding career. Game na.
Go.
The next step is I'm gonna show you how to cook chicken mushroom, and I'm gonna show you the ingredients. Okay, so here are the ingredients. First is the chicken. Any part of chicken that you like. I prefer using chicken breast. Next is onion, garlic, mushrooms, heavy cream. Last is butter. First, I'm gonna pan fry the chicken in the butter. I will cook the chicken 2 to 3 minutes in each side. Pwede bang cut muna nila, ayun. When the chicken is done, set aside. Next, in the same pan, I'm gonna saute garlic and onion and butter. Next is the mushroom. And then to taste, salt and pepper. Next, I will add the cream. Di ikat. And And then, I will put the cooked chicken. Just put salt and pepper to taste. Turn off the heat and then we're done. And we're done. This is the final product, creamy mushroom.